Hello friends, and welcome back to my channel, and this video is sponsored by the company Helloice. As you can see here, we have some beautiful pieces that I am going to show you were sent to me. Beautiful packaging, halo iced out packaging, and we're going to go for the first item here. Look at that. That's just beautiful the way you open that and it just slides out of there. Beautiful unboxing. So the first item I was sent was this iced out blinged out watch. If you're interested in this item is HW136. This is the Ice Roman numerals woman's watch. If that's not iced out enough for you, I don't know what is. Y'all know your girl is going to enjoy this watch. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful. Diamonds is so iced out you can't even see the diamonds and crystals that's in the middle there. There you go. Beautiful. Beautiful iced out crystals, Roman numerals, and the ice goes halfway around the band both ways. I have a sizing tool, so I'm going to have to size this because my wrist is so small, but this is absolutely beautiful. This is the first item that was sent. Once again, if you are interested, this is the Roman iced out woman numerals woman's watch. Let's take a moment and just enjoy the beautifulness of that. That is absolutely beautiful. There we go. And let's see what is in the second box we have here. Oh, okay. They did send me a tool to change the watch myself. Appreciate that. Definitely, because you never know when someone's going to have to change size their watch. So we have a couple of pieces here. Let's see what this one is. Okay, this is the Our Lady pendant and necklace. This is the necklace. I'm going to take that out of the package. All right, here is the necklace. This is a rope chain. If you're interested in this one, this is HWM154. Let me not mess it up. It's a very thick chain. Very thick chain. It has the buckle clasp. This is what the chain looks like. And this is the Our Lady pendant. Isn't that beautiful? I'm gonna feel really blessed wearing this. Let me tell y'all that right now. If you can't tell, there's diamonds encrusted all around Our Lady across at the top, and she is in the middle, and it is just absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely beautiful. I will put that on there. And the next thing that I have is the engraved necklace. If you go on their website and look for the engraved necklaces, this one is HWM305. It is a choker, HWM305, and it says fearless. Y'all see that? It is a choker, so it is really only this long. It's a choker necklace, and the nameplate sits right in the middle. And it has fearless engraved in it. Very, very thick, sturdy chain. I love when they have the lobster clasp like this because of my nails. I can very easily get my nail behind the groove there and take the clasp off. So if you're a long nail diva like myself, these come in very, very good handy because you can just grab that little piece right there with your nail, take it off, put your necklace on. You don't need any help getting that done. So these are the three items from Helloice. Their website link is down below. Definitely go and check it out. If you want to bling, bling, bling like fearless and be iced out, definitely go check out the website. Hey guys, welcome back, and this is going to be my outfit of the day. Once again, featuring my Helloice jewelry. I have my choker necklace on. As you can see, it does say fearless, so don't forget to check out the link in the beauty bar down below for Helloice. I have on my Nike shirt black jeans and my Nike tennis shoes to match. And for bag, I'm just going to carry this Marc Jacobs bag because it is small enough to carry and not get in the way for the event that I am going to. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and don't forget to click the link in the bar. Okay guys, so here is another dress. Now this dress baby girl bought me. I still have the tag on, as you can see. She went to Rainbow and bought me this dress. It stops just below my knees. Very, very nice fitted dress. What shoes do y'all think I should wear with this? So I'm thinking if it's a casual day and I'm just running the stores or running errands, I could just wear slides like sandals. I'm thinking I can also jazz this up. If I was going out somewhere, I could put a nice little like camisole, you know, like sweater over it with some heels, like maybe a blue or black. Even if I had an orange, I don't have an orange, but even if I had like an orange kind of shawl thing, I could put that over it, and then I can put on some heels, and I could go like what, to brunch, to lunch. What do y'all think? Y'all pick the shoes. My hardest thing with outfits, when I get clothes, when I get outfits and everything, is shoes. I never really know what shoes to wear. Like I'll buy something and then I don't know what shoes to wear. So that's the thing, especially depending on the occasion that I'm going to. I really like this dress. I think it can go casual. I think it can go brunch or lunch. What do y'all think? Let me know. Come in closer. The colors are really beautiful. Blue, orange, yellow. And she knows I love these colors. Like, I feel like yellow and orange looks so good on me. Yellow and orange are two of the colors that look really, really, really good on me. Really good on me. So yeah, let's get into the next one. Okay guys, and this is the other piece. So let me tell y'all my beef with this piece, because I just opened it up. I saw this, and you guys probably did too, online on a boutique on Instagram. A lot of things that I see online are on a boutique that's like $60, $80. I know I can go over to AliExpress and get it for a lot cheaper. Sometimes you can even go to Shein and get it for a lot cheaper. And I should have checked Shein for this, but I didn't. My beef with this is, and this was under $20, this is silk. Now, the one the girl had on Instagram, I can't 100% say because I didn't touch her, but it looked cotton. I wanted cotton. I bought this during the winter time. They had the Chinese New Year. It took too long to get here. Winter is over. But this is silk. I mean, I guess it could still keep me warm depending on what I'm wearing. But I'm mad that this is silk. I wanted this to be a cloth-like material. So this is what it is. And y'all tell me what I can wear this with. I think the girl on Instagram and the way they advertise this is just a girl with a black one-piece jumper, which is cool too. I don't own a black one-piece jumper, but I can start looking for one. You know what I'm saying? Because of the color pattern in it. I wanted it because of the color pattern in it. You had this, you had the animal print, and you had this, and then a burgundy stripe. I love all the different things in this. I love the way she wore it. I think she had on a black one-piece jumper with just heels. It goes all the way down to my ankles. I'm talking about all the way down to my ankles. So it's definitely something like she wore heels. I could wear a black one-piece with boots, you know, if it's cold. And then, like, since this is not cloth, it's like a silky material, I guess I can wear it even if it's not cold. But what could I pair it with, you guys? I have on tights now, maybe jeggings, maybe black jeans, and what shirt? Like black jeans, what shirt, and what shirt, what shoes? I need to know what pants, what shirt, what shoes. Or stick to a one piece and what shoes. If it's cold, black boots are a giveaway. If not, I guess heels. What do y'all think? I love the thing. That's why I got it. I love the ensemble of it. I just wish it was a little bit thicker. Here in Florida, we don't have a lot of winter months. So I guess maybe it's a good thing that it's not a thick, heavy coat, because I wouldn't get much use out of it. I mean, this way I can put on something that probably has no sleeves if I'm going to dinner or going to somebody's birthday party or somebody's birthday brunch at Cheesecake Factory or something, and I can walk in styling and profiling. But I need to know what to wear with it so I can be styling and profiling, okay? So you guys check it out. It's a very beautiful, no buttons, no zipper. It's going to be open. I love that it comes down to my wrist. It's not too short. Like I said, I got this from AliExpress. It was under $20. I think I would have to look at my AliExpress because there's no tags in it. But if I'm not mistaken, I ordered a large or a extra large. I always do that with AliExpress because, of course, I'm not going to try to ship this back to China. Okay, it's just too much. I mean, I guess I could, but I'm not even going to try that. If I get something I don't want, I usually put it on Posh. So, let me know what y'all think. What should I wear with this and what shoes?